After replacing the Toyota Tacoma headlights, second generation, I'm gonna sell the old ones, but they're foggy, so I'm gonna restore them. Here is the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. So I applied the cleaning solution to the headlight. Now we wait. There's the final product with the cleaning solution. It's still drying, so it's a little hazy. Now I'm gonna put the headlight sealer on. This is with the headlight sealer on. It is a little bit clearer. Here is the cleaning solution applied to headlight number 2. Now I'll apply the headlight coating. Here is the finished product. Also, heads up, if you get the cleaning solution on your skin, make sure you wash your hands right away or it will start burning. Another disclaimer, the cleaning gel can also stain your work gloves. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Also, the next video will be new rims on the Toyota Tacoma.